Hey everyone, this is part one of using Atlassian for different projects and industry types. Today, we'll be going over using Atlassian for a music festival. On this Jira board, I can track all work that my team needs to do to complete the festival. I can click on an issue, assign it to someone on my team, give it a due date, and I can leave comments so I can have a history of all work that's being completed and contacts that I need to talk to. So I can move ideas into actions and track their progress until they're completed on my Jira board. I can then go into my Confluence page and I've created a database where I can collaborate with my team on potential artists that will play in the festival. We can collaborate on this. Multiple people can uh, create new entries and edit entries. I have also created a database for my silent disco themes for my festival. Using Jira Service Management, I've created a portal where musical artists and food vendors can come in and fill out a form if they want to play at my festival. I've customized this form to have all the information that I need. Then my Jira Service Management agent teams can go in to these entries and look at the form and decide whether they want to accept this act or not. If we approve this act, automatically get sent to the act with a package providing them with all the information they will need to play at this festival. Because I'm using a multi-space board, I can also look at my food vendors on the same board and approve or deny them in the same view so I don't have to multitask. And that's how I would set up Atlassian products for a music festival. Leave a comment on what industry or what type of team I should do next. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.
So ReleaseTEAM, DevOps tool specialists. We provide professional services and software reselling around the leading software DevOps tools like Atlassian, GitLab, GitHub, JFrog, and others. To talk with us about DevOps, here's our contact information. Please call 866-887-0489 or via email at info@releaseteam.com.